And if it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other, you should have seen it in color.
Alright, vlogging moment. First time Mom was using the wash machine.
I guess I need to put the clothes in there before I turn it on, though.
Time out. Myself. There's a wash machine and dryer, guys. And I did say this yesterday, but they got stuck in our yard. So you trying on vlogging more?
Yeah.
I know you're happy, aren't you?
I'm sure I'll fit all them clothes. You what do you think?
Yeah.
Inaugural button push.
I turn it on, right?
It's so pretty. Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying. I guess it'll lock in place when. Okay. I want normal. Do we really? Should I do it with speed wash or should I just do normal?
Just do normal. It's the first wash. You
Cold, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think probably medium spin. Look at that.
It's very quiet.
We not got no water. When they say that you use very little water, they ain't lying.
It's quiet. Just stay here and watch clothes wash. I hear water going in there, I think. Electric power.
Maybe I should just put one piece of clothes in there. I'm scared.
It might be waiting or whatever it does.
Hello.
Oh, there it goes!
Maybe it was weighing.
That's what I told her. She didn't pot her ears on the wash and started pouring water.
Maybe it was just weighing.
It's got to wait. That way it makes sure everything's balanced.
Listen to the thing when it takes off. Goes.
It's really not that loud though.
It's not loud, but it takes
Mama,
off.
your old one was like, shh.
Oh, little girl.
I was gonna say go ahead.
Do you like
Okay,
it?
go ahead. We got the shim. Should we try to do hers planted up first? Y'all, I put y'all's clothes in there first. It messes up because y'all's clothes.
Good job.
She's got one shirt, just stick it in there by itself.
I thought about that, but then I was going an hour to wash one shirt, and I'm like, damn. It uses a lot of water, but does the water stay in there, or does it just go around and touch them like that?
I don't know.
It has holes in it, so I don't think it would stay, do you?
This will make you get dizzy.
I guess it's just what's in it around something like
I want to see it when it starts to do the.
that.
But how long is it going to take to do that? We should go. Yeah, this one I want to see.
The hell does this wash clothes?
It's bubbling like the filling up with water. About to do something?
I don't know, it says it's washing them. Guess it need a little bit more water.
We won't be doing this every time. I think this is the first time we're just like amused.
Hey, maybe you're leaning on it. Maybe it thinks it's got you inside.
No, good. Look. It's going fast as hell.
My God. It's like an airplane motor.
It's going
I don't know
fast.
how the hell that's washing the. We got to touch it up.
Yeah, no, I thought my hand touched it. I took it off. Now we got bubbles.
Oh, we do got some bubbles down there.
I guess it
Gotta
went.
look.
Yeah, all this right here needs a second coat, and that needs 2 coats right here.
Is it gonna do something else? Is that washing already?
Yes,
Are we
ma'am.
going in the opposite direction?
We went for 35 minutes, 32 minutes. My God.
Well, why is it going and stopping? Why is it just not spinning?
Because it's washing the clothes.
And the other one washed the clothes.
It just washed the clothes for 10 minutes.
2 minutes.
Your other one's
I
on
put it on medium spin. I reckon it probably need to be on high spin.
Oh, there we go.
And she started off with our clothes. We're just sitting here watching the washing machine wash clothes. This tells you how amazed we are by new washing machine and dryer, you guys.
Okay, then you gonna walk away with me.
No, I'm not. 31 minutes. Woo!
It says it's been nice for like 10.
Jesus.
That's on medium.
I'm
I
kind
had to know how to agitate it.
Shot off like a dragon rocket.
of just slowing down. It feels like it's been 5 minutes for this last 1 minute. I don't know, y'all. Don't tell me I can't fit in it.
You don't play no music.
No zero.
Well, you can fit in it.
You could wear that to a wedding.
No music. Unlocked by then.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna play music.
It says it plays music. We don't
I guess
have-
it's when you turn it on and off.
Well, first load of clothes washed.
Oh, wow.
Smell fresh? Yeah, good.
It worky. Good investment, Charlie. Good investment.
Making it clean.
They smell clean.
Right.
First load of clothes done.
You look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You make me feel this way somehow.
La 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 la. You said
This.
okay. There we go.
Just cut in. Alright. Turn down. Alright. Put it on. Make sure it's on normal.
Is it?
Okay, hit that button. Turn it on. Let's see what it does. Flip it one time.
Which way?
Just anyway, just so you can see where. Okay. What's that at? What's
The
that
first
say?
one.
Normal?
Normal, yeah.
Okay, take this right here. Can you read that?
Not really, but I'm pretty sure if I do this.
Okay, well, I'm going to tell you something.
Alright, I can read it now.
Okay, it says warm. So the first thing hit one time.
What, this button? Or
Over here on the black, hit the very bottom one time. Hit it kind of. Alright, right there. It's now on cold. Okay, the middle one, I'm just going to put it on medium. Yeah.
the second one? There you go.
There, yeah. You can do it on high, it's okay, but I just did the other one on medium. Like that right there, and hit that button right there to start.
I hit it.
Hold it. There you go.
I did it.
Good job. And you can wash it, make sure it's gonna go tame when it does.
I did it myself.
It's funny how some strangers like to size me up. And this attitude makes me straight, and this accent makes me dumb. And I can tell them I've got powder blood around.
Mama, are you having fun?
We did you
Yeah,
dizzy.
The fourth letter closed. The fourth letter closed, and we're still amazed by our washing machine. Mom, Troy's looking at you like crazy.
Oh, you need my help. I'm sorry.
Whatever you do.
I wish I had
Take a picture of it, took it a wash and dry. That's what my dad sent me a picture.
Oh, okay.
Is it about to go fast?
I don't know. Sitting here watching clothes wash. Oh my god. Good night, guys. Okay, so before I go to sleep, I was talking to my half sister Gabby, which I didn't call her half sister. I call her my sister. If y'all did not know, I have a sister that lives in Louisiana, my dad and stepmom, and yeah. Her name is Gabby, as well as my cousin. So don't get too confused, but they're spelled totally different. But, yeah. I was talking to her today, and we talked from 2 o'clock in the afternoon my time, which is 1 in the afternoon her time, to about 9 o'clock my time, which is like 8 o'clock her time. It's crazy, you know. If y'all did not know, we went to Disney World in 2018, a few days after my college graduation, and we have not seen them since then, which was like May 10th through like the 14th-ish. So yeah, it's been almost 3 years. It's crazy. Gabby or Daddy, if you're watching this, hey, I miss y'all. Can't wait to see y'all. Hopefully COVID calms down so I'll see each other. Yeah, bye.